Today we are going to discuss the problem to solve armature winding, design and also equalizer. Moving on to the question, it is 500 kilowatts, 460 volt, 8 pole, 375 rpm compound generator has an armature diameter of 1.1 meter and core length of 0.33 meter. Design a symmetrical armature winding giving the details of equalizers. The armature conductor per meter are 34,000. The internal voltage drop is 4% of terminal voltage and the field current is 1% of output current. The ratio of pole arc to pole pitch is 0.7. Voltage between adjacent segments at no should not exceed 15. And the load loading should not exceed 1500 ampere. The diameter of commutator is 0.65 of armature diameter and minimum allowable pitch of segment is 4 mm. Make other suitable assumptions. In these questions, we have to design the armature winding and also the equalizer. First, we have to find out the type of windings. Since in the question it is not mentioned, we have to find out the type of windings. For that, IA is equal to IF plus IL. So in the question, IF is given as 1% of IL. IL is equal to I, therefore I is equal to P by V. The question P is given and V is given. So IL is obtained 1086.95. Substituting these two values, we will get the armature current 1098. So now with wave winding, current per parallel path is IA by A, that is equal to 1098 by 2 equal 549 ampere, which is greater than 200 ampere, that is greater than the limit. So wave winding is not used. Now moving on to the lap winding, current per parallel path is IA by A. Here A is equal to P in the case of lap winding. In the question P is 8. So we got I is as 137.25, which is less than 200 ampere and within the limit. Therefore, simplex lap winding is used. Now we have to find out the number of conductors. For that, in the question, AC is given as 34,000. AC is equal to IZ into Z by pi D. So substituting the values, Z is obtained as 856.06. Next, to find the number of slots. For that, we have to check some conditions. First is slot pitch varies from 25 mm to 35 mm. So number of slot is pi d by slot pitch. Substituting this, we obtain the range as 99 to 138. Next, we have to find for proper commutation, slot per pole should be between 9 to 16. That is slot per pole is 9 into 8 to 16 into 8. That is 72 to 128. So comparing these two, we got the new range as 99 to 128. In the case of lap winding, this number of slots should be a multiple of pole pair. That is, we have to again check the condition. So pole is 8 and pole pair is 4. So we have to check the multiple of 4. So this is the new number of slots. Next, to reduce flux pulsation, this number of slot per pole is an integer plus 1 by 2. On substituting these values in number of slots per pole, we got these slots as 100, 108, 116 and 124. So the new range is 100, 108, 116 and 124. Next, we have to check the slot per pole arc. That should be an integer plus 1 by 2. That we have to substitute all these values here. On substituting all these values, we obtained as for S is equal 108, we got a value approximately equal to an integer value, integer plus 1 by 2. So we selected S equal to 108. Next, to design winding, we have to first know the minimum number of coils. That C is equal to EP by 15. So substituting the values, we got the minimum number of coils as 245. Next, the conductor per slot. So the number of conductor per slot is obtained 7.92, which is approximately equal to 8. That we have to take an even integer. Okay. Next, the number of conductors used, that is this 8 into, yes, that is number of slot. 8 into 108, that is 864. Next, we have to check this number of conductor per slot and number of coil side per slot. For that, u is equal to, we have to put the value 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. When u is equal to, we got number of coils as 108, which is less than 245. For u is equal to 4, we got 216, which is less than 245. For u is equal to 6 and 8, we obtain the values greater than 245. Now we have to check the number of conductor per slot and number of coil per slot, which is divisible. So for checking, we found that when u is equal to 8, the number of conductor per slot and coil size per slot is divisible. Therefore, the number of coil is C. And next we have to find out the turns per coil to design the armature winding, that is Z by 2C, we obtained as 1. In question, slot loading is given within the range of 1500. While checking IZ into Z, we obtain 1098, which is within the limit. Next, we have to find out the commutator segment pitch, that is BC equal to pi DC by C, where commutator diameter in the question is given as 0.65 armature diameter. Substituting that, we obtained as 5.19 10 raised to minus 3 meter. In the question, it is mentioned as this commutator diameter, that is the commutator pitch. The segment of pitch is 4 mm, minimum allowable pitch is 4 mm. So it is within the limit. Therefore, the obtained value to design the armature windings are 432 coil, ZS is 8, TZ 1, and Z number of armature conductor is 864. Next, we have to design the equalizer. For that, for simplex lap winding, back pitch YB is equal to 2C by P plus or minus K, that we obtained as 108 plus or minus K. Now we have to check YB minus 1 by U, that should be an integer. So substituting the values, first we substitute 108, then we obtained as 13.375, it is not an integer. Then this 107 minus 1, we obtained a 13.25, which is not integer. So finally we got, for substituting 105 as YB, we obtained 13 as an integer. So we selected YB as 105. Next we have to find out the front pitch. So the equation for front pitch is YF is equal to YB minus 2, that is Y03. Okay. So the total pitch is YB minus YF. So we obtained as 105 minus 103 as plus 2. And the commutator pitch YC for a simplex lap winding, progressive winding is YC is equal to plus 1. So these equations are in the case of wave winding. We have to by heart this equation also. Next is the equalizer connection design. So why these equalizers are used? Equalizers are used to equalize the difference in the EMF generated in various parallel paths. Normally the range of number of rings should be within 10 and 20. So these equations we have to by heart. So moving on to the question, first we have to check C by M must be divisible. Okay, so number of coil is 432 and M, what is M is number of rings, that ring should be between 10 and 20 and C by M should be divisible. So substituting the values, we found that when M is equal to 12, it is divisible. Okay, then we have to find the number of tapings, that is M into P by 8. M is 12, P is 8, and substitute the number of tapings, we obtained as 8. Y equalizer, Y equivalent is equal to 2C by P, that is 2 into 438 by 8 is equal to 108, and Y phase is equal to 2C by MP. So that is 9 coils. Therefore, the layout of equalizer connection is Y equipotential pitch is 108 and Y phase is 9 coils. So this is how we have to design the armature winding and also equalizer.